This is the CRC Smart Washer. This is one that they call the Benchtop Pro because it's small. They make a big commercial size one, but this is the small one that normal people can have in their shop. Aaron's been using it a whole bunch. He's been raving about it to me. And I'm like, well, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna turn the camera on and get it. Flip it on right back here. And I'm gonna go get the junk that I need to wash. Okay, I'm gonna wash the pickup tube and the windage tray to start from that engine swap that Aaron is doing. There's cool stuff about this parts washer, especially if you're environmentally conscious. The liquid that you use to clean the parts is actually microbes. So it's really cool because it's not harmful chemicals. It's actually like natural stuff. They're very thoughtful about the environment and about encapsulating oil and keeping it from going into our waterways and stuff like that. So much respect. I'm calling it good. That looks nice. It can get it super duper clean, but not really super necessary for the windage tray. I'm gonna get the old junk off, old oil and buildup of dust from sitting around the shop. The windage tray doesn't need to be super clean. Okay, this little job is finished.